Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Maddie. I'm here with another squishy package. I can't wait to open it. My mom accidentally opened it, so I'm just going to cut it with scissors. But please say I do not cut one of these squishies. And they were supposed to come in original packaging. I'm not sure that's true because every other squishy that I got was not in original packaging. Here's the first. Let me just cut that out right there. So, you guys get first right there. Let me try to fix the lighting real quick, so I'll be right. I have no clue if I fixed it or made that worse. So I made it better. So here's the first piece, and I'm just going to pull one out. Okay, so there's one more. So I got my unicorn. Oh, okay, so I got my unicorn. You guys see I'm taking this out of packaging. Yeah, my mom, she ordered me like 5 more squishy packages. She's just surprising me with them and stuff. Cause like when I first got these, like I told her I wanted squishies for Christmas and stuff. I got like squishies, and she's like, "Oh, I like these. I might just order you a bunch more," and like all that stuff. So I'm like, nice. Okay, so here is the squishy. So we're gonna squish it. Ready? That is so soft. This is so soft, guys. You don't even know how soft it is. Well, I bet you do if you're different, like squishy or collection. Oh my god, it is so freaking soft. Okay, I can squish this whole head. Well, at least I'll try to. It has like a freaking pig nose. Look at that nose. Wait, ready? Ow. Foot, ow. Okay, so we're gonna squish its feet. Yeah. Its ears. Its ears are pretty slow, I think. It has a tail. It has some hair. The hair is actually really squishy. So here's my first unicorn. There's my first one. I'm going to put it back in packaging because I don't like when they get dirty. So my mom, she got me like 5 more and I have no clue when they're going to be here. So next one. Oh my god, so here's all of this. No way. Oh my gosh. You don't even know how squishy this is. Like, it is so freaking squishy. Oh my gosh, no one just caught it. Oh my gosh, I don't know even why they put the tape on there. Weird. Oh my gosh, it's so cutie. It's little puppy face. It's so cutie. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Guys, these smell so good. I'm gonna take this one. Oh, this one smells so good. It smells so good. So we're gonna squish it. It is so squishy, guys. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, I love them. They're so squishy. Squish its ear. Look at that. Squish its ear. So here's my doggy. Here's my unicorn. Here is. Wait, how did I? Happy days and oh no, Pikachu has a little rip. That's okay. I can fix it. So I got these ones. So these are what I got. My mom, I think there might be I got a Starbucks one. But I think this one's an extra because I didn't want to order the unicorn. Well, my mom didn't order the unicorn. She showed me all the stuff that she got me. So she got me the, where did I put it? Right here. She got me the jumbo strawberry. Then she got me the jumbo peach, which smells really good. Then she got me the jumbo banana. So she got me those. And then she got me Starbucks. She did get me this dog. And then she got me Starbucks. And she got me Galaxy something. She got me 7 squishies. So 3, 4, 5. So I have 2 more squishies coming. I know it's my, because I got a Starbucks one. So I think my Starbucks will be here tomorrow. And my Galaxy one. Galaxy something. I don't remember what it was. All I know is that it was Galaxy. I think it was Galaxy. I'm not sure. I have to go ask my mom. So, yeah. So, I got the best squishy package ever. These ones are actually like super soft. They're so soft and they're like super squishy. They're so rising. Frick. Wait a minute. Thank gosh that you guys did not see my address. But that's because my address is on the other side. So, yeah. Sorry about the background, guys. My mom is talking to my brother, telling him not to say something, which I have no clue what it is. So I got this one, and I got my unicorn. So that's it for this video, guys. So subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit the bell. Bye.